Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Mi Wi-Fi booster. This is actually pretty simple. You will need a paper clip. There's a little hole right here at the very bottom. Right there. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the paper clip in it, press and hold, wait a few seconds, watch the light. So what you're going to do is you're going to find the little hole. Poke it, wait a few seconds, watch the light. Once the light goes out, there it is. Remove your paper clip and it's going to reboot. There you go, it's flashing. There you guys have it. It's ready to be reconnected. Okay guys, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.